Hello, my name is Shaurya and this is my Scratch project which I've created, Match the Amount. So over here, in this project, the computer will generate a random number and we have to match the amount. So over here we have 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents and 1. So now the computer has generated a random number 50. So now I have to match the amount by using the least number of coins. So there will be the so let's try this. No, it's incorrect, but not the least number of coins. So now we'll try another combination. This and we can try this, but it's still saying but the least number of coins. So like this, you can try using different numbers, and you can check if all the combinations are the correct, but in the least number of coins. So now let me explain you the code. So these are buttons which can help you change the amount of cents. So over here, this is the decrease of 1 cent. So when we click on this sprite, this is a variable and it's number 1. So 1 cent. So when we click on this, it'll change the number by -1. But if the number is 0 and you click on the like you try to lessen the amount, it won't lessen because you can't go to -1. And yeah, so like this over here, this is the right one which will increase the number. So when there's 0, you can still increase, and yeah, so it's the same for all. So this will decrease, increase, decrease, and increase. So this is the new generating number. So when we click on the button, it will generate a new target, or like it'll generate a computer number, a random computer number. So I'll pick any one number from 1 to 250, and then I'll broadcast like a thing where like it's where you can tell other sprites that yeah, the new like person has generated a new number. Now in the check, when you click on the check after we have made the combination, it'll make check results. So this will tell the like other sprites if check has been cleared. So when the new numbers click over here, if you're seeing, there's a small dot for the result. Now, if the answer is, so when we click on new, so it'll be like this. So it'll say nothing. So after we click on new button, it'll say nothing. Now at the start, number 1, which is our number which we have generated. So this is for 1 cent, like that. It's for others. And C1, C5, C10, and C25 are the computer's variables for generated number. So if we take any number, and the computer will also try to make another combination, but using the least amount coins. So when the check button clicked, here's when I received check result. So the RAM is like the computer's generated number, and the computer's generated number will be set to target. Now over here, if the target or the RAM is greater than 25, then it'll add the computer's 25 variable by 1, so it'll understand that yeah, it's greater than 25, and it'll take in minus 25 from the RAM. So it's the same like this, but over here it's 10, so it'll minus 10, and yeah, I'll add one of the computer's 10. So here it's C1 to RAM. So what will happen is you can make many ones to create a number. So if you say 40, so the least number which can create 40 is 1. Well, so that will be like the RAM. So there's no problem in that. So now when after this, the computer has generated the C10, C5 and stuff. So after this, at the end, if all the amounts match each other, then it'll say good job, the number is correct or this is correct. But if the total amount is same, but it has different, like it's not in the lowest number of coins, so I'll say correct, but the least number of coins, but not the least number of coins. But if it's not the same also, and when we add up all of them, it's still not the same, so I'll say incorrect, please try again. So this is my project. Thank you.